Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Covington, local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is the best moving company to handle your long-distance move. Whether you're moving within the state, intrastate, or across state lines, interstate, we also go above and beyond to make sure your belongings are secure. We use the best trucks to transport your belongings, and we also have valid licenses from authorities in charge of relocation so that you can trust your items are in our care. Also, we have put necessary insurance in place to cover risks during the local relocation. We also have local moving services at 3 Movers, and our movers and drivers are also easy to work with. They are highly skilled and careful when handling your belongings, and we offer fast, detailed, and satisfactory local moves in Covington. If you have an honest review about us, ask the locals. They form our client base and have first-hand experience about our services. We are also always available to provide any answers to any questions you may have. Also, our local moves are very cheap. We also charge as low as $30 to $40 an hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Covington moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.